Hey guys, and welcome back to another Empties video. This is my November 2025 Empties, and it's just gonna be a quickie video because there weren't that many. I don't think there's even 10 total, so we're just gonna dive right in. And anyway, so one that we've had many Empties of over the years, and you know, just it's a perennial because I don't think that's even the right word, but just over and over again, because I go through it like water, and it is water, is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. This is the waterproof one. It's the one I use for like my eye makeup, especially when I have mascara on. If I don't use eye makeup, sometimes I'll use one of the other variants of the micellar water, but if there's eye makeup on, this is the go-to. And yes, I know there's technically a little teeny bit there. I've tried every which way of shaking this every damn way to get that last little splash out of there. I've tried to like wedge a popsicle stick under here to pry this off. I can't get it to move, so we're calling it done. Is close enough. This happens every time with this particular type of bottle. It's frustrating. It is what it is. It is not worth cutting it in half to get that little half of a splash. Like, that's not even enough to do like a corner of a cotton round. Like, let's be so for real right now. It's not worth going after. So, I also finished off this. This was from Dollar Tree, and it was their Be Pure Glow Up Toner. So this, it was fine. It was a dupe for the Glow Recipe, the Dewdrops toner, which I much prefer that one to this. I mean, yeah, like if you're broke and you want a similar toner, this is fine, but just I can't get past the smell. It's really strong by comparison and very artificial, and I don't know, something about this one has kind of a slimy texture to it that I didn't get on well with, that the original does not have. And like this weird whatever that is that's built up in there, that's not liquid, that's like buildup of some kind. The original doesn't do that either, and I'm like, ew, what is that? No thank you. So I don't think this will be a repurchase. Some of the other dupes that I've had from there are totally fine, but this one I'm like, it's not the worst thing. It's not unusable, but I mean, I have a lot of other toners I would much rather use before this, but like, if I were like broke, and just needed any toner, I guess I could do it again, but I'm like, if I have options, I'd rather not. So, there's that. I used up this K-Bella Conditioning Dragon Fruit Gel Cream Mask. It was nice. I'm disappointed that I don't think they sell this anymore, because I feel like I would have bought it again. This I did really like. And I mean, I think K-Bella is still in business, they just don't make this particular one, so I'm like, oh, well, that sucks, but it was nice. It felt really nice on. My skin was so soft after using it, so they were not joking about the conditioning effects, but yeah, I guess it wasn't a big seller for whatever the heck reason, but I liked it anyway. I used up, actually, I think of all the lippies in here that are empties, all of them got repurposed as moisture sticks, because yeah, these were in the last declutter, and this was like the last bunch of them that still needed to be repurposed in some kind of a way, that weren't ones that just had to go straight out. So I have my Moroccan Magic Peppermint Eucalyptus. Honestly, if these stayed better longer, I'd really probably be super into this brand, but they go off so quick, so it's like, eh. So there was that one. This one hurt to have to declutter, but it had picked up an odd smell, so I was like, I'm not comfy putting that on my mouth anymore. But it was the Body Shop Lip Juicers and Kiwi Kale Watermelon. It's like an EOS when you use them up, where actually it's more frustrating than an EOS, because the EOS has the grid, right? This has like little propellers almost in there that trying to dig down in there with a toothpick was a big pain in the ass, but I did it. But yeah, it's just a bummer that they don't even sell in America anymore, and even if they did, they discontinued the lip juicers like years ago now, so this might be the first of the Crazy Rumors biggies I've used up, but it was repurposed, and it was their cereal milk. Because honestly, at the point when they lose all scent, it just smells like wax. It's like, that's not even fun to put on anymore, when If it were like all I had to use, I would do it, but when I have perfectly good ones that do still have scent, I'd rather use those for their intended purposes and just use this as a moisture stick, which I did, and I got a ton of use out of as that. But yeah, so this one is gone. And oh, I take it back. This was used up the correct way. My Soft Lips Marshmallow Ghost. I did actually use that up traditionally on the lips all the way. I was surprised how much use I got out of that for being a skinny stick, so don't let looks deceive you with these. They actually have a ton of usage out of them. And I used up the Chapstick Caramel Cream, as well as the Blistex Fruit Smoothies Peaches and Cream, both as moisture sticks. And that is it for the November empties. Like I said, it was just a short list. It was a short month, so didn't use up a ton. I had a lot of things that were nearly done that I've already finished since this month started, so I'll probably have a bigger empties list for this month, because I've already nearly matched the number of them, and we're only on the 11th today, so just saying. Anyway, that's it for this one, so as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.